Hello everyone. Thank you for joining me today. Dana here. Today I will be showing you how to make this cute non-traditional colored Christmas card using the Stamptember 2023 Tim Holtz stamp set. If you haven't already, please do consider subscribing. It does greatly help the algorithm push my videos out to other people that may enjoy them. Also pamper that like button while you're there, and let's get on to the making. To start off this card, I took a piece of paper that I had gel printed with saltwater taffy, dusty concord, and salvage patina distress inks. This is the ghost print. If you haven't seen that video, I highly recommend it. I've got a couple different gel printing videos. I use a lot of gel printed paper. And using my Snowfall grit paste, I took the stencils that were included in the Stamptember kit, and I'm just stenciling on some stars kind of randomly at the top of the page there. And then I set that aside to dry. And I cut out some trees. This is the Trimetry Colorized die set from Tim Holtz. This is from this year's release. I cut out those trees using, again, some paper that I had gel printed in the same colors that I used for the background. And I'm just adding on some Snowfall grit paste with my paintbrush to the tips of the branches. And then I'll go ahead and set those aside to dry. And then off camera, I stamped and colored several different of the cute little Santas from this set, and I cut them out using the coordinating dies. And then I also chose one of the sentiments from the stamp set. The sentiment says, "In the air, there's a feeling of Christmas." And I just cut that out into a rectangle, and then to just zhuzh it up a little bit, I cut off the corners, the very tip of the corners, using my small little circle punch. And then I went in with my saltwater taffy distress ink, and I just inked along the edges of the sentiment and the card. I glued the card panel to an A2 card base. And then I also glued on the Christmas trees. I did 3 different Christmas trees to go with the 3 different distress colors. And I did them in 3 different sizes. So the purple one in the middle is using all but one of the dies, and then they get smaller from there. And I wanted to give the Santa a little bit of dimension, so I popped him up on some foam squares. Now, after I got him put down, I didn't really like how purple it was. I love purple. I am a purple girl, but I didn't like how his suit was purple and he was sitting right on top of the purple tree. So I did end up changing this. But before I 100% decided that I was going to do that, I did go ahead and adhere on the sentiment, and I just popped that up on some foam squares as well. And here's the Santa that I decided to change him to. I wanted to go with the pink and aqua one to tie in with the colors, but then it wasn't so purple. Y'all will have to let me know what you think in the comments below. Did you like the purple Santa or do you like the pink Santa better? But with him, I just did the same thing, popped him up on some foam squares, and then adhered him right on top of that big purple tree. And I personally liked that much better. And here is the final card. I didn't change anything after this. This is what we went with. But I hope y'all enjoyed. Again, if you haven't watched any more of my Christmas card videos, I am loving non-traditional colors this year. So you're probably going to see a lot more non-traditional from me before Christmas time is here. As always, take some time to pamper your inner goddess, and I will see you in the next one.